Let's see how to decrease font size through a shortcut key in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to decrease the font size of our document. So we can do that simply by highlighting our text. Now click on this small a right here, and that will show decrease font size. And to make it easier for yourself, you can also use shortcut keys. And the shortcut for decreasing font size can also be seen when you hover your cursor right here, which is Control Shift and the less than symbol. So let's go ahead and try that out. Control Shift less than. And as you can see, our font size has been decreased. And that is how you can decrease font size using a shortcut key in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.